Good morning. Today I'll be discussing about sorting a linked list. First, what is the sorting? Sorting is the arrangement of elements either in ascending or descending order. So in linked list, elements can be arranged in ascending or descending order. Here the elements can be exchanged in two ways. First is the information part of the nodes can be exchanged, keeping the link part as it is, or the link part can be readjusted, keeping the information part intact. So these are the two methods of sorting techniques. So next I will be discussing about unit 5, graphs and trees. So here the first concept is graph. So what is graph? So graph is a non-linear data structure which consists of a set of elements called as nodes or points or vertices. And it consisting of a set of edges such that each edge is denoted by an ordered pair of u comma v. So where u and v are vertices. Here edge can be directed or undirected. So here this is undirected simple graph with the vertices a, b, c, d, e. Edges ab, bc, cd, ac, ae, and de. So it's not there. CE, AB, BC, AC, AE, CD, and DE. So this is the graph with 5 vertices and 6 edges. So next is directed graph. A graph G is equal to V comma E, in which every edge is directed, is called directed graph. See, so we have directions here. Next, undirected graph. A graph G is equal to V comma E, in which every edge is undirected. This is the example of undirected graph. See, no directions here. Next, complete graph. A graph G is equal to V comma E is said to be a complete graph if there exists an edge between every pair of vertices. See, here Here every vertex is connected to all. Next, null graph. A graph is said to be null graph if edge is said to be empty. So it can also be called as isolated vertex. Next, loop. It is an edge which starts and ends on the same vertex, which means the edge originates and ends in the same vertex. The loop is 2, 2. Next, connected graph. So here a graph is said to be connected if and only if there exists a path between every pair of vertices. Next, disconnected graph. So here there exists at least one vertex in the graph that cannot be reached from other vertices in the graph. So here phi is disconnected. So such type of graph is called as disconnected graph. Next, cyclic graph. A cyclic graph is a path in which the first vertex and the last vertex is same. See here, a graph with at least one cycle is called as cyclic graph. See, in this example we have one cycle. It starts from 2, 2 to 3, the next edge 3 to 4, next again 4 to 2. So this is one cycle which starts and ends at the same vertex. Cycle C is equal to starts from 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 2. Starts and ends at the same vertex. Next, acyclic graph. A graph with no cycles is called as acyclic graph. Next, weighted graph. So here a graph in which number is assigned to each edge. See, 20, 10, 30 and 40. So these are the edge cost or weights.